Yeah, hi students. Now continuous topic is phylum Porifera. In the phylum Porifera, which body is supported by spicules and spongin fibers. Spicules and spongin fibers. So here how these all the types of different shapes of spicules are there. That's the main feature, and whole over the body also, which is having the small holes. Pori means holes, ferens means they have the pore bearing animals, which we know as the poriferans. If you go for the next one here, examples, which are the examples of that? Cycon and spongilla, these are the examples. And here main characters of these phylum is the grade of organization, which is the cellular level of organization, cellular grade of organization. Symmetry, there is no symmetry, asymmetrical. Here mostly asymmetrical, very few are the radial symmetry. Coelom is the acylomate, and here that living place of these animals mostly aquatic, which are the marine, and they are sedentary. They have to attach on the particular area, that is a sedimentary, and is the solitary. Some are solitary single, some are colonial grouply, they can live. And here digestive system is the absent in these animals, and here is the respiratory system also absent. There is no special organs because of the cellular level, you know that loose aggregation of cells only. And here is the circulatory system also absent, and reproduction is asexual mode and sexual mode, both will be there. We can notice in these phyla porifera. Asexual mode is the fragmentation, and sexual mode through the gametes, which are the hermaphrodites, both male and female organs are in the one animal. The fertilization is the internal fertilization. And here this have a indirect development. It means have a larval forms are there. It have a indirect development. And water canal system is there. This is the one of the special type of system. Through that only the whole over the body have a minute pores are there. We call it the ostia. Through the ostia, water enter into the spongiocele, and spongioceles to opening is there osculum. To the osculum will be sent out. That's the main character of the poriferas. Here cycon, spongilla and euspongia are the examples of these phyla, common examples. Next one, phyla Cnidaria, we called as the Cnidaria. The Cnidarians common or the general characters are the grade of organization is the tissue grade, whereas the porifera is the cellular grade. While it is moving up here, grade is the tissue grade organization. We can notice in the phylum Cnidaria or Cnidaria. Here is the symmetry, is the radial symmetry. We can see here Hydra and jellyfish, sea anemone, all the there here. That is the bilateral symmetry. Some are the radial symmetry. And germ layers are the two germ layers, which are known as the ectoderm and endoderm. These diploblastic organisms. Phylum is undercomes the acylomate. Now here in this mostly aquatic animals, the habitat is the marine and sessile. Some are sessile, some are free living, and solitary or colonial. Hydra is a solitary organism. Some are the colonial. These are the jellyfish and all organisms which undercomes the Cnidaria or the Cnidaria. And here the digestive system is the incomplete digestive system, and in both intra and extracellular digestion takes place in cnidarians. Respiratory system is absent, circulatory system also absent, but through the body wall it will perform. Here Hydra have a tentacles, which number is the 6 to 10 usually, vary from the species to species. Here is the soft tissue and digestive enzymes. This is from the gland cell. This is a soft tissue. Food particles engulfed, and here food particle digested here in the food vacuole. Here some animals have a extra and intracellular digestion takes place in these animals. And here in the cnidarians, alternation of generation is noted, which is a very important feature of these animals. Alternation of generation means one form after another form will be formed. It means available in the two forms, which are the polyp and medusa. Polyp reproduce asexually in the process of budding, and also medusa sexually form. Most are sexes are separate, male and female are there, and fertilization is the external. Development is indirected. We have a larva there. The larva is the planula. Here is the polyp, asexual mode, and here it produces the umbrella shaped medusa and the cylindrical shaped polyp. Polyp and medusa is the alternation of generation, and these can perform the polymorphism because of more than two forms are available. We call as the polymorphism. Here is the, see here, meiosis. Due to the meiosis, the gonads are released here, the sperm will be fused with this and they are going to be formed. The fertilization takes place. This is sexual reproduction. Resulting is the planula larvae. It is undergoes asexual reproduction and it produces as a sexually planula, and planula gives the medusa by the asexual mode. Right? And here in this unique features of this one is the tentacles with the nidoblast cells. These Cnidaria, the name why it's given as, it have a special type of cells called as nidoblast cells, which are mainly present on the tentacles and some places of the body surface. See here, tentacles are finger-like structures which surrounded the mouth. A oral part is there. That mouth side, the tentacles are arranged here. They are helpful for the capture of food and defense. And here nidoblast cells, stinging cells. These cells present on the tentacles and the body with have a poisonous filled with the capsule. There is a nematocyst. See here in this picture, you can see the nematocyst, which is filled with the poison. The main function of these nidoblast cells, which is the anchoring and capturing of food and prey, and is the defense purpose useful. When it triggers, this will be comes and release the, see this is the prey and this is the nidocyte. When it triggers here, it will be hole over the spiral over the prey and it will be use the poison into the, that's why the stinging cells are present in these animals. That is the special is the nidoblast cell, right? And here a gastrovascular cavity is present which opens as a mouth, and this is incomplete digestive system. This is the oral part, upper part same only. It is surrounded as the tentacles, mouth and anus. It serves as a mouth and anus. This is a polyform. Tentacles are present here. A gastrovascular cavity with an opening on the hypostome. We call it the hypostome, right? That cavity. That's the reason it is the incomplete digestive system, right? Then here, polyp and medusa forms are there. These are the two types of body forms. Cnidarians. Polyp is a tubular and medusa is the umbrella shaped. It is a free swimming form, whereas it is a asexual form with the upwardly directed mouth and tentacles. Hydra are the examples of polyp, and medusa is the example Aurelia, commonly called as jellyfish. So here polyp and medusa, this is the main thing is how to say asexual form polyp. Medusa is a sexual form and free swimming form. This shows the alternation of generation. This is a special feature. See here, alternation generation, they given metagenesis, also called as the metagenesis. Alternation generation, also called as the metagenesis. And here, it is the phenomenon shown by the some Cnidarians, in which polyps produce medusa asexually and medusa form the polyps sexually. That is the obelia. They have given here. Here, starting from here, these are the two are the umbrella shaped medusas. Then they fertilize and planula larva will be formed. Then develop into polyp stage. Then asexual mode. Then that will be formed here. That's a process known as the metagenesis. Metagenesis are the alternation of generation. Right? Thank you.